Live in high definition from WTAT in Charleston, this is the Fox 24 News at 10.
Turning now to our state's race for governor, Nikki Haley and Vincent Shaheen both were in the Lowcountry this afternoon. The governor and her Democratic challenger touting their records as the November election approaches. Our Sujatha Jain has more.
The state chamber and our 18,000 members are proud to endorse and support Nikki Haley for a second term as our governor.
A change of heart 4 years later from the South Carolina Chamber of Commerce, which endorsed Vincent Shaheen in 2010. Today, the chamber threw its support behind the governor, applauding her record of job creation.
What we are now seeing is all of these jobs have come into South Carolina. We did change the business environment. We have reduced taxes.
According to the chamber's former chairman, Haley has created 56,000 jobs since 2011. Shaheen reacted quickly to the endorsement.
If you compare the records on public education, on supporting small business, I am very, very proud to run on a record that has been there and walked the walk.
Shaheen says education is high on his platform. He says there is more work to be done.
I have a record of expanding four-year-old kindergarten opportunities. I have a record of supporting teacher pay increases. I'm a graduate of public schools, and my kids are in the public schools that I attended a few years ago. And I know what it's still like out there.
We changed the way we educate children in South Carolina. We no longer educate children based on where they're born and raised. We educate every child because they deserve a good education.
Sujatha Jain, Fox 24 News at 10. Haley and Shaheen will face independent Tom Irwin. He wasn't in town today, but his campaign did announce that he released his first campaign advertisement. Election day is November 4th. In the control room, Sujatha Jain, Fox 24 News.